everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time for the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, March 24th through Saturday, March 30th. Now, I think it's going to be a good week. The only bad thing is it's like register rewards like crazy, which I will still do them as long as my store gives me points for it. But I'm just giving you guys a heads up in case you guys have problems with your stores not giving you points or you guys having register rewards. But there's a pretty good decent deal. We are not getting the greatest coupons, but I still wanted to do some deals for you guys. Now here they got deals of the week. They got Tide, Simply, and Downy fabric softener for $2.95. It looks like there's going to be a $1 off coupon, making it $1.95, which I think is a pretty good deal, especially with the Downy. That's something that I rarely ever get in my stockpile, so I think for $2, I think that's a pretty good deal. So I'll probably end up doing that. They got Starburst jelly beans for $1.49. So if you guys are interested in some jelly beans, Starburst, that's a good price. Now here, this is something I might want to do because I'm really craving Reese's peanut butter cups with my pregnancy. So it's $3. It's 3 for $8.50. There is a $1.50 off of 3 coupon that I think we're going to be. Nope, there's going to be a $1.50 off of 3 in the Walgreens booklet, and there's a 2 off of 3 coupon in the Sunday paper, making it 3 for $5. So if you guys are interested in something like that, chips are 2 for $4. Now it does say store-wide $5 registry rewards at checkout when you spend $30 or more on eligible items. Not sure what the eligible items are, but it's only for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. Now here they got extra laundry detergent for 99 cents. They have that for 99 cents quite a bit, so if you guys are interested or if you really like that, go for it. That's also a good product to donate to shelters and stuff. You know, it works, so letting you know on that. And this looks actually like the back of the ad. They did their ads differently. I think they didn't scan this right, but this looks like it's the back of the ad. So here they got Crest toothpaste, $2.99. Now we do have, it says there's an online coupon for $2 off, and we just got some $1 off coupons in the 317 Red Plum. You guys would buy 3 tubes of toothpaste. You guys would pay $4.97. You get a $3 register reward. Final price makes it $1.97 or just 65 cents a piece. Not the greatest deal. I usually say 25 cents or less, but hey, you know, 65 cents is still a good deal on toothpaste, just depending on what you guys want to pay for it. Soft soap hand soap. That's for the pump and the refill. There are coupons we can print off the soft soap website. I'm not sure if we're actually getting coupons for that yet, but they are buy one get one 50% off. I think they usually run between $1.99 and $2.99. And then it says if you guys buy 4, you get 4,000 points. So that will pretty much be an okay deal. So I'm going to check out that deal, see if there's anything we can get. Cadbury eggs or Reese's, they are 4 for $2 with a $1 off of 4 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So they're going to be on sale for 4 for $3, and then you guys use that coupon. Crunch and Butterfinger are 2 for $1. Sometimes I get Catalina coupons for that, sometimes I don't, but we'll see if there's any good deals. But those are good filler items for the register rewards. Now we're going to the cleaning products. Nothing really popping out at me. Paper plates are 99 cents with a coupon. Those are actually pretty decent paper plates if you guys really need something like that. Sugar and oil, vegetable oil and canola oil are going to be $1.99 with the Walgreens coupon. So if you guys need some of those items to cook, my husband's going to love this. Pizza, $3.99. He'll definitely have me pick him up pizza. Yeah, he's shaking his head right now. He likes their barbecue chicken pizza is what he likes. More food deals. Nothing really popping out. Nothing really that big. But now we're going to the Easter deals. Now Easter's going to be, you know, it's actually not for another couple more weeks. But they do have Kinder Eggs on sale for buy one get one 50% off. We do have a $1 off of 3 coupon in the 224 Smart Source. So if you guys are interested in, you know, getting Kinder Eggs, there's a good deal. There's also a good deal at Target right now with the Ibotta app if you guys want to do that. Pictures, batteries, clothes. Now there is a lot of register rewards going on, or points going on with the makeup. So Eucerin and Aquaphor are buy one get one 50% off. You buy 2, there is a 3,000 points, so that's a deal you can pay with points. They also have it where Sally Henson is. If you spend 12, you get 2,000 points. L'Oreal is buy 2, you get 3,000 points. Rimmel is buy 2, get 2,000 points. Revlon and Almay is buy 2, get 3,000 points. Wet n Wild is when you buy 2, you get a $2 reward. Neutrogena is buy 2, get a $3 reward. And then CoverGirl is spend 15, get 3,000 points. I meant to say points instead of register reward, but they're all buy one, get one 50% off, so there should be some great deals with makeup, plus you get those bonus points, and you guys can qualify for beauty. That's definitely some deals I'm going to check out. I do know we got some Almay coupons, I think, and we also have CoverGirl coupons, so definitely want to check those out. Garnier Fructis, it says it's $1.99 after the $1 off coupon. I'm not sure if we're getting any inserts. The inserts I've been reading lately are kind of off. Aussie and Herbal Essence are buy one, get one 50% off. Last time they had a deal like this, we had a really good high value digital coupon. Crossing your fingers for that. It does say a 2 off of 2, but we'll see what else happens. Now we're into the Colgate toothpaste, $2.99. We have those $2 off coupons that we just got in our inserts last Sunday. You guys want to use 2 of those coupons. You guys would end up paying $1.98, but then you guys will get a $2 register reward, making them free. So if you can't make it to Walgreens and do this deal again, there's definitely a great deal for you guys to do it that week too, so you don't let those coupons go to waste. Yeah, nothing really popping out. Medicines, vitamins. And then that is it. Yeah, they kind of showed the end of the page, but there's really nothing else going on. But I think it's going to be a good week to get register rewards and points. So we'll have to figure out a lot of scenarios for that. But just wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all next time for another Walgreens ad preview. Goodbye.